The roadmap for implementing sustainability, embedding sustainability into the culture of the enterprise involves a few different activities that have to happen a bit in parallel. One is the engagement of the people and the culture of the organization from a kind of motivational standpoint, to help people understand the why, to understand how the purpose of the company, how its strategic success is aligned with pursuing sustainability in the way that you are starting to define it. And that building of a cultural conversation is an essential piece of the puzzle here. You have to mobilize people to be internal advocates, innovators, change agents. There's a second component, which is the sort of strategy setting, which is to say, okay, here's the array of issues that we could work on. Here's the subset of issues that our stakeholders really care about, that are core to our purpose. And then going from a choice of issues, which is kind of this materiality analysis, to a goal setting process, so that there's clear objectives that people can align up behind. I say that those two processes of engaging the organization and setting the goals have to happen a bit in parallel, because you want people's input into that goal setting process, and you want those goals to be galvanizing people's problem solving capabilities and innovation capabilities to go after trying to achieve those goals. And then, of course, there's a measurement component, which is a critical piece of infrastructure here, which is to understand the baseline of where are we right now, where are we in terms of our greenhouse gas emissions and other forms of pollution, where are we in terms of living wage in our lower end of the income spectrum, where are we in terms of other diversity, equity, inclusion issues, which are increasingly included within ESG and sustainability considerations. And having those baselines and then being able to set the goals, what that does is that creates this essential creative tension between the company we're trying to create and where we are right now. And inviting the whole organization, everybody, to be holding that creative tension together, that's what spurs kind of changes, the kind of innovation that are required to move us forward.